Hello. Today we are going to look at how to rename multiple Excel sheets. So if you have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 and you want to name them with maybe the names of the month. So if you have January, how to maybe April. So you want to name sheet 1 as January, sheet 2 as February, sheet 3 as March, and sheet 4 as April. So first you select the data. So for this instance, I've selected the month. Then you go to insert. Then you click on pivot table. Then you select new worksheet and click on OK. So when under the pivot table field, you make sure you select, you take the heading and drag it to filters. So you watch it, you put it at filters. When you are done, then you can close the pivot table field. Then under the pivot table, you click here. Then under option, you click on option and you select show report filter pages. So you select this one. Then the heading of your data. For this example, it is month. So to select here, then you click on OK. So you see that it will rename your sheet January, February, March, April. So this is how to rename your multiple Excel sheet. Thank you.